Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a very quick one. So there is a new feature which has been added to WhatsApp, and I would love to speak about this new feature in my tutorial on this channel. If today is the first time watching a video from this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on post notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop videos like this. So moving straight to the point, the feature has been added to the WhatsApp status. So when you click on add status, you can see that there is a new feature which is layout. So this feature allows you to post more pictures at the same time. It allows you to post more pictures at the same time. So this is going to avoid people from crowding or loading their status. So it's going to avoid situations like this. Yes, it's going to avoid situations like this. So I would love to check and see what is the maximum photos you can upload. So when you tap on layout, you are allowed to select more than 2 photos to upload. So as you can see, the maximum you can upload is 6. So this is what 6 photos that I have selected to upload on my WhatsApp status. So you click on next, and this is how they appear. You can change the layout and it will adjust perfectly. You can move, swap the pictures in arrangement. So let's maintain this. So you press on done. So you can go ahead to also add text or music to this. So I think this is a very good feature. Yes, this is a very good feature that they've added to the WhatsApp status. So let's upload this and then see how it's going to look like. So it has been uploaded on my status, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. The person viewing may not be able to do any changes to this in arrangement. Yes, the person can't do any changes to it. Even you who have after uploaded, you can't do any change in arrangement again. You can only do the change in arrangement at the initial stage of trying to upload the pictures on your status, just as I showed you. So that is the new feature which has been added. Now, if you can't see this feature, if you are not able to see this feature, if it doesn't show on your WhatsApp when you click on status, upload status, then you should try updating your WhatsApp. If you are using an iPhone, go to App Store and get your WhatsApp updated. If you are using an Android phone, go to Google Play Store and get your WhatsApp updated. Now, after you've updated your app, I'm 100% sure that you'll get to this feature. Thank you so much for having time to watch this video. Catch you up in the next one.